Okay, this one reminds me of an engineer who would work on a train. They would have that black and white overall coveralls. So if I was your engineer on the train, what would you want me to tell you about the train? Um, okay, the engine room is steel. Engine room calls the captain of the ship. Hello, I'm Bob Frizzell for the Reality Game. Please subscribe and share. I do lots of different cosmic characters. Um, if you wanted to know what my real name is, it's Bobby Burrows, but that's not my official name. My official name is Robert David Burrows. Um, that's just I like people to call me Bobby. But I just like it. I just like that word. That's what Peter does on Family Guy.